I love this type of fishing on the river. Just moored up to some trees, middle of nowhere. We're on fish as well, we've had a couple of fish. So, yeah, absolutely beautiful. Fishing with my mate, that's when I'm on a big boat, but yeah, comfortably do it. He has 3 rods one side, I have 3 rods the other side. Like we're all locked and loaded we are. Well, it's a beautiful morning. Nothing happened for me last night. Dazza had 2 last night in the night though, so that's great. He had a common, which he said was about 35, 36 pounds. He slipped back in the night, which he does, Dazza. He's not one for photographs. But my far rod over there with a 12-ounce lead is ping tight. You can see it there. The rod tip bending over. But the bat, I got a 5-ounce bat lead. The bat lead's moved. Whether the lead's moved or not, I don't know. I'm expecting it has moved. That's why I've not had a pick up on that one. But I'm surprised that bottle rod down there is not gone. So it's coming to, when it comes to about 10 o'clock, I think I've got the morning feeding spout away, I'll go and redo him. I don't want to go and redo him now in case I don't want to disturb anything. I've got a chance of one now. Good on you, mate. Star man. Cheers, Dazza. Perfect. Perfect. Brilliant fish on. Oh, I love that. Not got my leader on yet, it's pretty deep where I am. I think it's about 33, 34 foot. Oh, there's my leader. What a beautiful setting. Oh, that looks like a nice fish, that. Big mirror. That's a rarity on the river, the mirror. Oh, this looks a nice fish as well, that. That looks a cracker, that one. Mirror. Oh, get in that net. Get in that net. Oh, it's a big old fish, that. Nice one, that, Dazza. Yeah, big mirror. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's a chunky old thing, that. Yes, I love it. Oh, check that out. That's a big old river mirror, that. And a flap around in the unlucky mat. It doesn't like the sun, the bright sun. So we'll get him back ASAP. Beautiful.
You've been filmed, Mr. Life.
Well, this is the mirror from the boat battle. It's a beauty. I thought it was, what as my mate Dazza said, it's short and muscular, just like me.
Oh, similar to what I said.
Yeah. He actually said short and fat, but I'm not having it. Say what happens when bright sun, they don't like the bright sun in the eyes really, so I'll be quick as I can. I'm looking at how different is that for a river fish. It's a beauty. Hey, got enough in that. Yeah, I won't mind a few more of them. It's a crack of that. Cheers, Daz, for your help, mate.
No worries, old boy.
Beautiful. Let's put him back. Oh, wait.
Done?
Let's just see that fish. What a fish that is. There you go. Beautiful. Oh, just caught that lovely mirror. What a fish that was as well for a river. I'm just going to go out, drop the rod. Got some maize, some tigers, a few boilies, some of them, a few brazils and tiger nuts. So, see, I don't even make that out because of the sun, but currently 25 foot on the sounder. Where I had it was 22 foot, a nice little flat spot as well. That's the bottom of the riverbed there. Absolutely stunning river this now. I think it's like the 3rd week of April now, and the weather has been all over the place. Sunny, chucking down. It's gone from like we had 30 degrees 2 days ago, and now it's at night time it's back down to 1 degree. It's like, but it's typical April. It's what to expect in April. Just get out there, do a bit of fishing. Beautiful here. Flow's still strong, but yeah. So I'm using big old. Got my 12-ounce watch leads. It's these bad boys. Big old leads. Them. They ain't going to move. Oh, they do move, but it takes some flow to move like them. Right, let's go and find a spot. And let's go and drop the rig. I could place my rig close to these trees, but I just find it too dangerous. There's too many snags, so I prefer to fish a little bit out, put a bit of bait out and let the fish come out to the bait. No point getting pickups and losing them, there's no point at all. This is roughly where I'm going to put it. Wind's blowing me all over the place, combined with the flow. But, you know what, it ain't bad that. It ain't bad. Right, back to the boat we go. Cheers, does it? Whoops. Thanks for that, mate. Yeah, thanks mate, good on you. Right, it's an absolutely stunning evening on the river. All the rods are out now. Been an eventful day. My rods are out. I've got one on the far side. Got one on a bottle down the edge, and I've got one just out here. The flow's pretty strong, so I've got a big 12-ounce lead, 5-ounce back lead. I had a 10-ounce in it first, but it moved, so put a bit bigger on. It's holding at the moment. Oh yeah, Dazza's got a pick up. Go on, Dazza.
I really hope it's not a catfish.
I really hope it is. Well, Dazza's been on this is his third fish. He had 2 last night. Oh, could be nice in this. Just saying, though, Darren's fishing in the deeper water, and that's where he's getting the fish from.
I reckon we should go out and get that.
Yeah, don't blame him, mate. It doesn't feel like a cat. It doesn't sound like a catfish, does it?
Stick that on it and that.
Yeah, will do, mate. So Dazza has just had this carp out the blue. The rod just rattled off, and it's absolute stunner. Beautiful fish that, mate.
It is a nice one.
Yeah, lovely. Typical river common, nice long. This one's got a bit of weight to it as well though. I'm just going to wait now. Sling's been zeroed, so we'll see what it is. Stunning. Oh, have a look at that for a river carp. That's one magnificent fish, that. Well done, Daz. That's perfect, that one, mate.
Cheers, Jimbo.
Beautiful fish.
Done, mate.
Beautiful. Alright, Dazza. Oops, fucking hell. Chuck us a hook, mate. Bolt up. Good man. Thank you, mate. Oh, caught something, have you, mate?
Yeah, Yeah.
What about the only thing you're going to catch, mate? Well, we're off. We're going to go in search for some a new spot. You see, it's been raining. Just love being out on the river. It is beautiful. Overcast, it's moody, them skies are moody. Oh, Daz is in. What a great start this is to this spot. We're going to be in it like about 3 or 4 hours. And he's away. Could be a catfish because it's a powerful old fish.
I need my net.
You might need help as well, mate.
Mate, that ain't coming in.
Alright, you jump in the boat, mate, and I'll unless you want to pay it from the boat, it's up to you, mate. Put it best in the boat.
Yeah, it's going into the bank, so.
Oh yeah, yeah. Saying that, some of these big commons that are fight strong, like, but
Not like that, mate.
well, I think it's a big catfish. It certainly went off like one. Look at the skies, all moody skies. Well, it looks like Daz has just lost that big catfish. I think it took him in a snag, so it's never good losing a fish. Ain't gonna film him coming in. Gutted for him. But this is one of my favourite techniques when I'm fishing. See how snaggy that margin is? These tree roots, fawning trees, all down this margin. So the last thing you want is your line to be on the bottom. You're just going to lose fish. So when I'm fishing down the edge when it's snaggy, I always use a bottle. That's a 1 litre milk bottle. It's on the surface, it's about 12 foot there, so I've got my stop knot about 15 foot, so it's about 3 foot over depth. It's big old lead, got a 10 or 12 ounce on there, so it doesn't move in the wind. And yeah, so there's a boat. I'm probably about 30 metres away from the boat. Pickups are exciting because you get a pickup and you see the bottle just dancing around in the water, but it works a treat because it disorientates the carp. You don't know whether to go left, whether to go right, and yeah, you can virtually land all your carp in snaggy spots using that method. Cracking way to fish. So I've got one rod down there. Then I've got one rod on that far tree line, but the flow's been powerful, and it's like my lead's been holding for a few hours and then moving, so it's been a bit of a pain in the backside really, but persevered with it, and that's the rod which did the big mirror, so happy days. And my other rod, I was fishing in deeper water, about 30 yards off the boat, just out into the main river. That's done me nothing, that. But my mate who's had 3, he's fishing in deeper water, and he's had 2 there, so just goes to show. Stunning. That's nice, seeing the old swans going past. I think there's 5 of them there, which is quite unusual, 5 swans. Must be still young. Beautiful though. So that's the end of the river adventure for me and Dazza. We did 3 nights on the river. We've done alright. We had about 4 carp between us, a couple of lost ones, 1 big catfish lost by Dazza, and loads of fun. So yeah, we're going to go back to base and head out for a lake for a few days. Try and find them on the lake. Beautiful. Alright, let's give it a bit of jip.